Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to open an account on your Monese app in another currency. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for a chance to win a new iPhone 13. Let's jump into it. First you have to open the Monese app, and then as you can see on the home screen you will see your balance in the top and the currency that your balance is in. So this is a Euro account because right now I'm staying in the EU, but I can also open other currency accounts. So you have to tap on the your balance, and then it will show you that this account is in Euro or the currency that you are using right now. And then here, as you can see, there are available to open other currencies. Right now I'm located in Romania, so it shows me that I can open an account in Romanian RON. Then you tap on the currency that you are using. It will show you all the details that this account will have. Instant RON IBAN account, which is a bank account, so you can use your Monese account to receive bank transfers and send bank transfers. Receive salary and transfers. You can have a contactless debit card. You can have reoccurring payments, global bank transfers, ATM withdrawals, and bank as local in Romania, which is very useful. Then you have to tap on the add account and it will process your request and you will get your Romanian bank account in a few minutes. You can also add other accounts. As you can see, I can add a Great Britain account to use Found, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one.